In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete your YouTube channel. Before we begin, a quick note. Deleting your channel is permanent. It removes your videos, playlists, and comments, and you won't be able to get them back. Your Google account itself will remain, but your YouTube presence tied to that channel will be gone. If you think you might need anything later, consider saving copies of your videos or exports of your data before proceeding. Start by opening YouTube in a web browser and signing in. Once you're signed in, click your profile picture in the top right corner. From that menu, select YouTube Studio. This takes you to your channel's dashboard, which is where you manage content and settings. In YouTube Studio, look to the left sidebar and click the Settings gear icon. If you don't see it at first glance, it's typically near the bottom left of that menu. In the Settings window that opens, choose Channel, then select the Advanced Settings tab. This section contains account-level options that affect your channel as a whole. Scroll all the way to the bottom of Advanced Settings and click Remove YouTube Content. This will open a new page in your browser. Because this is a sensitive action, YouTube may ask you to sign in again to verify your identity. Go ahead and enter your password and complete any additional verification prompts if they appear. This extra step protects your account from accidental or unauthorized changes. On the removal page, choose the option that says, "I want to permanently delete my content." You might see other choices on this page, but for a full deletion, make sure you select the permanent option. Next, you'll be asked to confirm what this means. Carefully read the notices and check the boxes acknowledging that your videos, comments, and other channel data will be deleted and cannot be restored. This is YouTube's way of ensuring you understand the impact before moving forward. You'll then be prompted to type your channel name to confirm. Enter it exactly as requested. This safeguard helps prevent accidental deletions. When you're absolutely sure, click the Delete My Content button to finalize. The process may take some time to complete, especially if your channel has a lot of videos. During that period, some items might briefly remain visible, but they will be removed as the deletion finishes. That's it. You've permanently deleted your YouTube channel. If you are using a shared or public computer, remember to sign out for security. And if you change your mind in the future, you can always create a new channel under your Google account and start fresh.